This is my whole mood for Valentine's Day. Like, I'm always enjoying Valentine's Day alone. I'm working literally 7 days a week and it's COVID season. So, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahar and today we are joined by a special guest. His name is Biscuit. He's my kitty. Isn't that just adorable? He's asleep, so he's gonna be staying throughout the video. So it's just a quick Valentine's Day look. Sweet and sultry, and I just have this hat for whatever, but you don't have to wear the hat. Daytime and then at nighttime, Valentine's time. The products I have on my face are the Maybelline Super Radiant and the Superstay combined. The Dream Radiant has no coverage at all, and the Superstay was too dark for me, so I mixed it. I Valentine'd them. I do have my Focallure Sculpt and Glow as my bronzer and highlight, and then a nude Maybelline lip, you know, one of those nude matte lipsticks. Physicians Formula butter bronzer all over my face, and I just did my brows. So yeah. I did use an oldie but a goodie. This is the Sultry Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills because I wanted a dark black but not too black color. So I mainly used these shades, so Fresh, Twig, Dystopian, Birch and Noir to get this look. And it's really quick and simple because you don't even have to think about it. Like, it's just like shh, and it's done. You don't need precision, you don't need to be an artist or anything, because I'm not an artist. It's for the people out there who just want a quick, easy, no fuss makeup look for Valentine's Day. And then I put on these really simple black slip dress. You can tie the sleeves as high as you want and as tight as you want. I would be wearing this if I had somewhere to go, like a party or something. I'll be partying by myself, but that's okay, that's fine. So anyway, let's just get